Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome to Locor Showroom. Today we will show you our hot seal printer. First, this is the A3 DTF t-shirt printer. If you want to start a small business, this is a good choice. Second one, the latest new technology, UV DTF sticker machine. It can stick almost 19% hard material, especially for the irregular media. The last one is UV A1 size flatted printer. It has 3 pieces Epson XP600 printing head, one for color, one for white, and one for varnish. The printer has 2 uses. First, you can print on board, glass, wood, golf ball, and other flatted material. Second, you can print crystal label with this machine.